Hi, I'm Don Peters from Calgary, Alberta. I'm here to test the Heritage Rock copper frying pan. Hi, I just received the 28 centimeter Rock jumbo cooker. It looks like it's a well-made frying pan, and I'm going to try doing some cooking with it. Okay, so I've heated up the frying pan and sauteed some onions, and I threw in some sausage and mushrooms and a few other things in here, and it's heating up very well, and the frying pan is not sticking at all. It's cooking wonderfully, so I'm liking this frying pan. It's looking great so far. Finished our dinner, and it's cleanup time now. The pot cooled down very quickly, so it's cool to the touch. I'm just adding a little bit of water, small little bit of soap, and with very little effort the pot cleaned right up. Fantastic.